Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and this is Sandra.
Ever since the day that you went away, you've been sending flowers to me, flowers today, flowers.
So nakikita nyo naman, naka-prepare na tayo and we're gonna bleach our damn hair because of hose. Not H-O-S-T but H-O-E-S because of hose. I have sectioned my hair and we're just gonna bleach them, so just keep watching. And as you can see, we're already mixing our ingredients. I have baking soda here because I'm running out of bleaching powder, as you can see. So ganyan lang, onti lang muna lalagyan natin, tsaka na lang damihan. Then we're gonna put our oxidizer. Lalagyan natin siya ng tubig para hindi siya matipid-tipid din naman kasi medyo maraming parts ng ating buhok ang ating lalagyan. So, lalagyan natin yung ating tubig. Hindi ko alam kung masyadong madami to pero i-mix natin. So, kailangan may creamy texture siya.
Ano yan?
Bleach. Again.
Saka sa CR yun eh, di ba?
So, we're gonna put them in our hair. And hinihintay na lang natin si Mama para... Ayan na si Mama. Say hi to the vlog! Ito. So, magsisimula sa gitna dito banda. Okay. Eh, dito lang. Kulay lang naman eh. So, yan na guys, nalalagyan na. Hindi ko alam kung nakita niya kasi di ko rin makita. So, tinuruan ko lang si Mama paano magkulay. Pero ako lang nagkulay, sarili ko nun. So, yung mga preparations na ginawa ko guys is, syempre, sinuklay ko buhok ko para syempre, di naman siya tangled pag naglalagay na ng bleach. And, nilagyan ko rin siya ng oil, pero di naman siya necessary kasi sabi nila, you're basically cooking your hair when you're putting oil or any hair proteins. According to Brad Mondo. Shout out kay Brad Mondo. Parang painter si Mama, oh. Okay ba, Ma? Para bang canvas? So, this past few videos, guys, nakaka-copyright tayo. Dun sa first time outside in 3 months na video, yung previous video, I got copyrighted dun sa Vampire Diaries part. Magkas na, di ba, nag-react ako doon sa ending. Eh, may kanta doon. Kaya, I had to mute that part. Then, my previous video, the Vivo Y11 unboxing. So, yung ginagamit kong background is Hello thematic. And then, ginamit ko yung music nila. Then, na-copyright ako. So, nag-Gmail ako sa kanila. Eh, pero, minute ko yun para hindi siya ma-copyright. And then, it messed up the whole audio of the video. Then, I had to delete it. Then I had to re-upload it, then edit it again for my viewers. And yeah, so that I could get monetized. Eh, napansin ko lately, ang dami na napapakulay. And it's pretty nice that we're able to express ourselves during quarantine because I don't know why this is such a big deal in school. Okay, enough of that. It's quite a sensitive topic.
Sit down and let's talk. Take all the stress off that we get from every day. Trying to be good.
So, Mama's getting paid for this, right, Mama? No, I'm still broke, but we're gonna make a lot of money. I know for a fact that my future is And may incoming collab din tayo guys with my classmate. I don't know if it's gonna happen, but there's already a list of people that wants to collab. But if it does happen, well, let's hope, fingers crossed. And this week has been such a very lazy week. I felt not productive because school's gonna be open this August, and I just watched a TikTok in which it advocates academic freeze because of the privileged and unprivileged community.
It doesn't matter to me. I'll be by your side no matter what the price. It could be anything. I don't know what to do.
Then Black Lives Matter, hashtag Black Lives Matter. Hi George Floyd, Breonna Taylor, Elijah McClain. Yeah. So, ito na si Nasara na.
Can you make her my wife? Something about
So, sa likod naman. Hindi, ito na lang. Ako na dito. Tapos, sa likod. So, lately guys, nagkakatigyawat ako dito. Dahil feeling ko dahil sa conditioner yun. So, salamin to. Sana mapanood to ni Brad Mondo, pero yeah.
like I need you. Will you be mine?
So, natataksa kayo, ba't ko ginagawa ito ng walang gloves? To be honest, hindi naman siya ito nakakapaso, guys. I mean, hindi naman siya ganun. Kalala. Kasi, nalagyan na nga ng bleaching tenga ko, wala naman ako naramdaman. Pero, hinuhugas ako naman siya agad right away. Para hindi siya di ko alam guys kung lalagyan pa, kung magsi-second bleaching pa kami. Pero, feeling ko hindi na. Pero sana hindi na. Pero feeling ko, ang gusto ko, diba? Okay. So, likod na. So, we've made our new
Lady, come here, let me tell you something. Lately,
So next week I'm gonna upload the quarantine vlog episode 4. So we're gonna go somewhere. I wish matutuloy, right mama? What's your comment? Ha? So matutuloy daw. Abangan na lang. So ito pala, happy 100k subscribers guys. So kasalukuyan meron tayong 324 subscribers. And yeah, we're gonna celebrate that later on. Siguro 500 subscribers masa-celebrate tayo. So yun lang muna yung clips guys. Mamaya ulit. Hi! So we're just currently waiting. Yeah, we're waiting. And as you can see, all of them have been put on, but not yet the roads. I'm sorry, I'm not gonna play the British accent. And yeah, as you can see, yung tigawad ko, oh my god. But so far the rest of the face is quite clear. You know, it's just, I also have my red days currently. It's Shark Week. Comment down below, like, this blonde hair suit me, my skin tone. So I'm just gonna probably dye it blue. So I'm just gonna show you. Wait a minute. So you know, us hoes, we love getting attention. So here is my hair dye. So it's Cello Wax. Binili ko lang to sa Shopee, 30 pesos. And ito siya Cello Wax. It's color blue, but it doesn't have any labels sa labas. So hindi pa rin tayo sure kung blue to. And tapos na yung refund week because I bought this in May. And it's already July. Well, yeah, that technically sums up. So I can already feel the heat. I can feel the cooking, but it's warm and it's burning. And oh no. But you know, we're gonna do everything because we're hoes. we're B. I can technically say the B word, but we're the baddest B. No, the baddest B is Bretman Rock. So he is queen, but we're the worst B. So that's what we are. We're the worst B. He's the baddest, we're the worst. Yeah, we're just gonna wait. So, ito guys, yung current na itsura ko guys. So, binalot ko lang yung t-shirt ko. Kasi cotton to guys. So, soft lang siya. Soft fabric lang siya. Tapos, binalot ko para mag-tight. So, tapos na siya. And, yeah. Hinugasan ko na siya and everything. Para, yan, tinanggal ko na yung bleach. So, lasted about 1 hour and 10 minutes. Alam ko medyo sobra yun. Pero, kasi late ko nang nilagyan ng bleach yung roots. So, sorry kung medyo madilim ulit. So, ito yung current na itsura ko. Then later on, mapapakita ko sa inyo pag tuyo na siya. Then, bukas kukulayan na lang natin siya ng color blue. Then, yeah. Hey guys, so nandito na tayo. And tapos na yung bleaching. So, nangyari yun 2 days ago. So, Saturday ngayon, ang ginawa namin yun ng Thursday. Ito na siya. Hindi siya masyado pantay guys. As in lahat, may white, may So, itatone natin yan gamit ang purple shampoo. So, ito na siya. So, pinakita ko na sa inyo nung previous video sa bleaching my hair part 1. And ito yung gamit natin pang kulay, color blue. Isashampoohan muna natin according dito sa directions. So, kasi shampoo muna. Then, towel dry hair. Then, yeah, ila-apply na to. So, magsashampoo muna tayo. Papasain natin to and isashampoo. Yan, hiniwalay ko na siya para hindi mabasa yung buong buhok.
Reason why she likes notes that say I love you all the time. Roses at your feet, baby girl, be mine.
So, after natin shampoohan and i-tone ang ating buhok, so, bubuksan na natin ito at ilalagay sa buhok. Ito itsura niya, guys. Kahapon din kasi, tinulayan ko si mama from her white hair. Oh, God! Dami. Ano ba nalagay? Hindi ko alam kung tama itong ginagawa ko, guys, kasi first time lang naman. Mamaya natin siya i-conditioner after daw. So, hindi medyo basa siya, guys, pero yung tama lang, yung damp. Hindi ko alam kung magpapantay ito. Parang hindi naman siya shampoo. Wow! So, ay, di ba, iko-comb. Iko-comb pa pala. So, dahil nalagyan ko na siya lahat and sobrang blue na ng kamay ko, lalagyan na siya dito. Bababad na natin. So, ayan na. Mababad na siya. And hugasan na natin mamaya. So, ito na yung itsura niya, guys. Pinatuyo ko na, pero di ko pa sinusuklay. Kaya di pa siya ganun kaayos. And kakatuyo na lang kasi minamadali ko nga i-film to. And I'm standing here in the sun para mas makita niyo siya kasi kung nasa lim-lim ako, hindi siya masyadong makita. See? Yan, hindi rin siya ganun ka makita, pero it's nice. Some turn green, some turn blue because you know, pag hindi nakatone yung hair. Pero yan. Sidaw ko eh. So blue pa kamay ko.
Baby, 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 you driving me wild, you driving me so crazy. Got me acting out, got me trying to stay sober.